Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H. In this video we're going to talk about Brennen's T600 Kenworth that he used on harvest. This is a truck, I believe he owns this, and if not, he drove it sometime in his harvesting career, and he wanted a replica of it, and here we are. We'll begin with the trailer, which is just a tandem axle single combine trailer, 3D printed. This is available in my store. It comes with rubber tires and 3-spoke wheels. Pretty simple DIY kit. I did use a piece of aluminum pipe to make the kingpin just a little bit bigger so it would fit in the DCP fifth wheel plate. Let's talk about this truck. This is a gearbox brand T600. It started out life as something like this. You can buy these on eBay. They're getting harder to find, so if you really like these, you might go buy them if you can find them. For the money, I think they're just a really cool truck, and I like T600s anyway, so I got quite a few of them around here. I went ahead and cut the windbreaker off, made it a flat top just like his. Something a little unique about this truck is all of this is paint. There's no decals on this truck. I started by shooting white on this truck, so it was solid white. Then I masked everything you see and then painted the black on top of the white. This is setting on a Diecast Promotions Peterbilt frame, so it matches up to any cool trailer he might want to buy. Then I added matching exhaust, a beacon on top of the cab, and then air horns and a ladder on the side. As I'm recording this, I just noticed that I forgot to put some fuel tanks on this, which won't be a problem. I'll go to the parts bin and grab a couple fuel tanks and stick them on. Not a whole lot of extra parts on this, just quite a bit of time in just masking this and getting that right. One thing that was really cool about this build is I was able to mask and paint it in the first go, which is sometimes a little unusual. Sometimes on these more complicated masking jobs or tape jobs, it takes a little bit more to get those right. You can see right here, there's just a little bit of overspray right here where it didn't set down over this part of the die cast right there. Not real bad. It looks pretty good overall. And like I said, I will add some fuel tanks to finish this off and then send it down the road to Brennen. Pretty cool truck. I just have a soft spot for T600s. I just like them. They're fun to make. And this particular brand of T600 is super easy to build. So like I said, if you can buy one and customize it yourself, I recommend it totally. And they do fit a DCP frame really well. If you want a shortcut on these trucks without having to find another frame, you can reuse this factory frame and then just do a wheel swap, and that will raise the whole thing and get it to where it will fit really cool trailers. I also have a video on here showing how to make this a flat top, which again is just really super simple. So that's how Brennen's truck was made. It's a really slick looking outfit, a classic look, and just a lot of fun to make. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, don't be afraid to leave them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.